Welcome to OxRank, finally fully complete with all its features, and we have lots of great news. This is the computer desktop version of it, but you can use it on your cell phone by using it as a web app. So we do have all of the web apps now fully finished, and here's it running on a web app perfectly on Androids and iPhones. Also, proudly presenting the iPhone version over here, and you can kind of see it fully works between all of the menus, Oxflow, everything works. You can follow all of our portfolios. If you go to learn, you can check out all of the markets. You can check out every single thing, additional features, how to use, everything is available. But let's start off with how to actually use this tool. So first off, it is absolutely free to try. Hit the start free trial, sign up, and you will get that $100 version absolutely free to try and test out. But if you do not like it, you can always switch and just keep the $29 standard version. But give it a shot. So start with the start free button, click on it, and then it will take you right here. Hit that captcha button, fill all this in, and sign up. Make sure you verify your email address so we know you're a real person. And once you do verify it, click on that login button, which is going to be, again, right over here. And once you click login, you'll be able to get to the second screen over here, which is right here. So on oxrank.com, when you click on your username and you click on your password and you fill that in, type in sign in, and you'll be inside of the application. So when you get into the app, it will take you to the home screen. You'll see the top 4 investments over here. These update every single day. So you got the Google Quantum Bet, you have the Solana Crypto Bet, you also have the hedge against those two in case something happens here. You will get that portfolio to skyrocket off of GLD. Again, your portfolios are here. So my core crypto portfolio that I'm trying to get to that, $1 million figure, my 250K active portfolio that I actively trade with everybody. This is my $1 million trading portfolio. We day trade and Forex trade on this on a every single day basis. So that's for my community members that join me in it. We have the 10K to 100K challenge. This is the favorite portfolio of all times. Most of my users start here, and once they get to a 100K challenge and they complete it, then they jump into some of these larger ones. I have my retirement portfolio down here, and then I have my 100K growth portfolio. On the right side, you can see my watch list. So I have my high conviction crypto, my September 16th, which is when I believe the Clarity Act is going to kick in. I have my buy now list, crypto fear and greed index. So we're not the 78th grade, but not extreme greed. So we might have a little bit more upside left. We have the stock fear and greed Buffett indicators at 240 out of the 250 max. So we are extremely significantly overvalued. And you can see the Ox meter now using our OxRank AI is reading that crypto is kind of a medium buy right now. So we still don't know if it's a short squeeze. Again, the AI has determined that we are kind of slightly in the green zone. When the bar is all the way to the right over here, then we're kind of past that fear of a short squeeze. And then news is tailored according to your portfolio. So AI scans your investments and puts the news over here. So awesome. Tracking. You can go on your portfolios. You can click in each portfolio. You can check out of them. So if you click on 10K challenge, you can see in a 10K portfolio, you can see all of the values, the growth, the holdings, the gains and losses, watch lists over here. And again, you can build as many watch lists as you would like. If you click on markets, same story. You can click on heat maps. You can see the heat maps. And again, if we go over here and we click on this, the iPhone, and you can see this as well. So if you go to tracking, you can see your watch list. If you go to markets and then heat maps, you will see the iPhone version of heat maps over here as well. You'll see the crypto heat map, the options flow heat map, the top 100 crypto. Again, so this is good. This is what it's going to look like on iPhones and Androids when it launches on Friday. Now over here, again, you can use it absolutely still on your phone. You'll just have to use a Chrome or Safari browser. Here is S&P 500. Here's crypto. Again, Bitcoin is the king of everything over here in terms of market cap. And here is your options flow. If you're day trading, if you're scalping, if you're doing any kind of trading over here at all, Forex trading, if you're a swing trader. Now let's go to top 100 crypto. This is what it looks like on a desktop. Macro dashboard, again, awesome for tracking indices, the stock market, crypto market, futures, Forex. You can expand any of these and really truly understand why this data and why these charts matter. That way you can kind of figure out where to move your money in terms of which asset is where. And remember, there's 11 stock market sectors and you really want to be balanced out properly. Here's charts over here. And you can, here's Solana. Again, you can change these charts to anything you like. It's fully built into, here's Microsoft. It's fully built into OxRank. So going back over here, let's take a look at earnings calendar. You can see, you can go with this little arrow and go a couple weeks forward, a couple weeks back. You can track any stock. You click on individual assets here and see their earnings reports. The Learn tab will show you the Ox picks. Again, these top four over here are your 10K to 100K challenge, our 100K growth portfolio, our 250K active portfolio, which every single day, 5 days a week of the market, of the stock market, and 7 days a week of the crypto market, we're actively trading in this portfolio. And here's the $1 million trading. We do day trading here. We do Forex trading. We do swing trading. We do scalping. So there are days we bet the entire $1 million. And it's really, really, really super awesome for somebody that wants to get into trading. Tools over here, DCF calculator, MBRB calculator. We have the reverse discount cash flow calculator and the gram. Again, courses, the stock market courses, crypto courses, whatever you're trying to do, including trading, is in here. If you click on Oxflow, this is your overview of the bullish flows of the markets, the bearish flows, and the most active flows over here as well. Again, you can see Tesla and QQQ Nvidia are very, very active this week. You can also check the flow by sector, and you can click on any one of these and find out exactly what's trading inside of them. Live flow shows you in real time what is happening, what's any of the calls, puts, and you can monitor this 24 hours a day. Here's the unusual trades, and you can see what's unusual, what's happening, and just really kind of get an understanding of what's being done by the big whales and by the big firms, so you can position yourself correctly. This is the Gamma tab. Again, this is a very, very expensive tool. When you combine every single feature in here, you won't even get these features for around $6,000, and you're really paying only $20-some. So it's pretty incredible that we've been able to kind of squeeze this all into one single application. Dark pools is right here, and then we have historical in the end. Now, again, any feature also that you request, give us a couple of weeks, depending on how complicated it might take, a month or so, we will put it in here and make sure you have it. So we're trying to make sure that every user that uses your application, whatever feature they want, it is available for them. So again, let's take a look at the iPhone app. If you click on home over here, you'll be able to see those top four feature stocks. The little 3-bar hamburger button over here, if you click on it, you can see the legal. You can go to how to use your profile. OxDeed is our real estate application. OxFriend is if you want to talk with the groups, communities, build your own communities. If you're in private chat rooms, that is all built into OxFriend. Here's our Twitter page. If you click on how to use, it will show you how to use the application, getting started. You have the home, tracking, markets, learn, and Oxflow all explained here. So here's your tracking. And if you click on it again, let's go back over here. And here's the home. Again, there's the Ox meter, your top movers over here, the gainers, the losers, the most active. Here's your top 100 crypto that's built into the home button as well, into the couple other tabs as well that you can see. And again, if we go back over here, you can see your portfolios, diversification, watch lists, and the latest news that's tailored. Tracking will show you your portfolios and your watch lists. Again, on the very top, if you hit this little search button, you can type in a specific asset or a ticker, and it will take you to it. Now, again, if you go into any of your cryptos, it will show you those holdings in there. So, there's all of our portfolios. Markets, again, over here, here's the actual top 100 crypto that I just showed you. Here's the heat maps. Again, here's the crypto heat map, and here's the options flow heat map. There's the macro dashboard that we saw on the desktop app. And again, same story. You can click this button and expand and read all that text and kind of understand. So it's still really built as a learning tool. If you scroll to the left, you can see charts, you can see earnings calendar, anything you like. Here's an earnings calendar preview. Here's a charts preview over here for you as well. Again, the Learn tab is exactly what it is. You'll be able to see those portfolios, watch videos, and learn what's going on in the markets. So let me switch to the Learn tab over here. Okay, it's still loading the SPY charts. There's your chart if you want to, in case you want to take a look at it. All right, so here's the Learning tab. Here is all the tools. Again, all of yours calculator, discount cash flow calculator, gram, MVRV. And again, here's OxPix over here. If you take a look, you'll be able to see all the buys, sells, trades. Here's all of the portfolios, the 10K challenge, the 100K growth, the 250K, and the $1 million trading. If you click on it, it takes you straight to that portfolio, and you see all those assets in it. Again, if you are home, you can see that little burger button to expand and then see all these other options in here as well. And if you are on a, let's say, Android phone or a iPhone, you can absolutely use the application as well. This is what it looks like on a cell phone. And again, you can pretty much works exactly the same. The only one real big advantage if you're on a phone is you can click the crypto wallet button and you can connect your crypto wallet as well. You cannot do that inside of the iPhone or Android app. We did not get approval for that yet. So if you are on Chrome or a Safari browser on your cell phone, or you're on your desktop, you can connect your crypto wallet. So let me show you. Here in the top right, you can click on this green button. It will connect your crypto wallet. And again, it takes you to your crypto wallet, shows you all of your assets in here and when you bought them, and you have literally full integration with the stock market, the crypto market. You can connect that wallet. You can transfer crypto in and out. So really, really great tool. And again, especially if you pair it with that Android and iPhone application that's coming out this Friday, or if you just use the web app. Again, once you open up OxRank.com on your cell phone, you can actually click a button and let you install it as a web app, and then it ends up on your main home screen. So that is pretty cool. And again, if if we take a look here is what it would look like. It'll just be on your main home screen right here as OxRank.com. And same story if you do as a web app without installing it from the App Store. Again, this is an amazing tool. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think about it. Also, once you try it out, if there's any features you want added into it, email me. The email is down here, admin@oxrank.com, and I will add those features for you within a week or two. Again, thank you, and thanks for trying out and becoming a part of the OxRank family.